What's going on, guys? Darryl with the How to Be Fit channel. So I just got in a package today that I'm waiting on for not that long actually. It only took about 5 days to get in. And this is the Gorilla Grips hand strength training. Small box came in through USPS. Took roughly about 5 days. I'm excited about these for reason being is I think they could be a good alternative to the Captains of Crush. I'll actually do a follow-up video after I've played with them for a while here. But let's unbox it. From what I can tell online, like the presentation was nice, so I am kind of excited what it's going to look like here. So let's get to that. And let's see here. Got to get a box cutter because the people over there made this damn thing a mummy, but no worries. Let's see here. Alright. So first thing, even though it's made out of metal, it's packed in there tight as hell. So I definitely do appreciate the attention to detail and the care that goes into it arriving. Let's see what's in the bottom here. So, okay. So a little bit of a personal touch. You get a letter here from the owner, who I've actually been in contact with here and there. It's on Instagram, pretty good guy. But he says, Darryl, thank you for your order of our Silverback Pack. Hope you'll like having crushing grip strength. Get Primal Gorilla Grips. Not too shabby. It's a nice touch. Got some different marketing materials like pictures and stickers and things like that. You can be able to put up. I should like some of these. They're pretty nice. So just the little things. Like if people don't understand, it goes a long way. Shows you give a damn. Add a little something else in the product other than just the product. And you can be able to tag these everywhere. And smart for him is also some marketing material. So good job on that one. So the meat and potatoes. So package comes in. First of all, how badass is that? It comes in its own box. Okay, the branded box. Let's get a good look at that. Okay. Let's see here. So got a picture of the hand grips on the outside. Not bad. As a matter of fact, I think I like this because I'm probably going to keep the damn grips in here just for the sake of having an easy place to be able to keep them. You open it up. Oh, hey, that's not shabby. Oh, wait. So you open it up. Bow. Look at that. That ain't too bad at all. Okay. Yeah, legit, I will be keeping the box. Like, I'm just going to put my hand grips in here. And there's no reason for me to get rid of this box. This is convenient. I like this. So the hand grips themselves, let's see here. So I mean it's pretty standard issue. This is the 100-pounder. Reminds me a lot. There was a company not that long ago. Actually, if you check an old video of mine, the company that I was using then. I think it was called like Strong Grips or something like that. This gripper reminds me a lot of theirs, in the sense of like the way it's made and the way it feels in the hand. So not quite the aggressive knurling of the Captains of Crush, which just tears your fucking hands apart. But hey, that's also why it lasts so long. So obviously every hand grip is consistent, feels good in the hand. Even, consistent squeeze. Okay. Not too shabby. And the great thing about this kit here, this is the what do you say this one was called? This one was the Silverback Pack. So this is the Silverback Pack. Honestly, with the way it comes in, I would say order the Silverback Pack if you don't already have other grippers. I think this is going to be the best fit for most people. Because it goes all the way up to 300 pounds, and if you already grip at 300 pounds, man, realistically, you probably just need to just go pick up fucking boulders or some shit. I'm trying to get to that point. A 200 is pretty much close to the ceiling as far as what I can close, and the 300 being the goal, and then obviously up to the Captains of Crush goes up to a 350. if I'm doing that shit, I'm just gonna retire and like break shit with my hands for money. I don't know. I mean, like that's pretty much what the goals are right there. But I mean, damn good package so far. I'm excited to be able to try these bad boys out. Whip out a block of chalk and go ham and hate myself in the morning because my hands are raw. But I would say for the presentation, definitely a 5 out of 5. Excellent on that end. You know, the attention to details, definitely a 5 out of 5. The product itself, I mean, the strong grips that I was using back in the day, I love those grips. They were, I would say, comparable to the Captains of Crush in the sense of you probably don't need a $30 gripper for each gripper. You really don't, man. What the hell? They probably can make it cheaper, but whatever. It's the reputation you're paying for. And they're battle tested. But if you don't want to pay top dollar and you want to get a damn good grip for actual grip trainers, not just that stress relief shit, then I would say this is probably a good product. Again, follow-up video coming to be able to go over the little nuances of it once I really give it a go and you know, give it hell. But that's it, man. All in all, I would say this is a 5 out of 5. I really do. I would say this is a 5 out of 5. For the initial experience with the product. Definitely look forward to some other stuff that these guys bring out and see where the company goes. They're based out of Indiana. So I would recommend, if you haven't already, you know, go check them out. That is, the company is, shit, I forget this, Get Primal, is what they're called, Get Primal. I think it was an Alpha Lab something or another. Give me a sec. Gorilla Grips. So Gorilla Grips, Get Primal is their handle on the IG. Go check them out. Comment, subscribe, like, talk shit, whatever you're gonna do. But I'm out of here. And then if you don't know, just on a side note, if you want to, you know, get a better understanding of the proper way to be able to train your grip, seeing as we are on the topic. I do offer programs as far as that's concerned. You need to check the link out down at the bottom of the video. I help program you out, you know, get you through some sticking points and really get you towards that next gripper that you're trying to go for. Free consultation, so just shoot me an email and shoot me an email through the form and we'll make it happen. But I'm out of here.